Do you feel something is missing in life? Maybe you are successful in one area of life, but still you are unhappy because deep down you know you could be doing more. Well, this is because of goals. Hello everyone, I am Sunil Poddar. I am a mindset hacker and I help people gain self clarity so that they can live a more empowered and happy life using the power of mindset. Generally, we set goals in one area of our life and we think that if we achieve that, everything else will fall in place. But that doesn't happen. Or we simply think that achieving goals in all areas of life is not possible. But that is also not true. Or simply we feel that goal setting is a difficult task. But I'll show you how easy it can be. Let me show you the 3 secrets to simple goal setting. The secret number 1 to goal setting is that we need to have goals in all the 4 dimensions. So, in the physical dimension, we need to have our health and career goals. In the emotional dimension, we need to have our relationship goals. In the mental dimension, we need to have our learning goals. What is the skill that you want to learn? And in the spiritual dimension, we have to have our contribution goals. Only when all these 4 dimensions are aligned, we can have an holistic development. The secret number 2 is to keep it simple. Suppose my goal is to lose 10 kgs in 5 months. S for simple will be structure it into a question. How can I lose 10 kgs in 5 months? So the resistance of your mind will go. It will start, instead of thinking about the problem, it will start thinking about the solutions of how you can do that. After that, you have to intersect it. I stands for intersection. I want to lose 10 kgs in 5 months. What will be my first month's goal, my second month's goal, third month goal, 4-month goal? Third one, M in simple, stands for milestone rewards. What is my small rewards when I achieve each of these milestones? What is my reward after month 1? What is my reward after achieving the goal in month number 2? And so on. P stands for priming. Priming is simple. Suppose we hear a music, we associate it with some emotion. And also, like suppose for an easier example, we see the color yellow. We immediately associate it with a banana. Hence, priming can be very powerful when trying to achieve goal. And what I like to use is to associate a song with a goal. What is that one song which can trigger the emotion for you to achieve that goal? L stands for love. Why are you doing it? Why do you love this goal and why do you want to do it? What is your why behind the goal? And E stands for evaluation. After you have achieved the goal, how will you evaluate that? And what is the final reward that you will give yourself after you have achieved that goal? This is the simple goal setting method. The secret number 3 is that starting the journey is very important. So we need to write our goals for the first 7 days and we need to keep it very easily achievable, because once we start the journey, momentum will build up and we'll surely achieve our goals. So these are the 3 secrets of goal setting. The secret 1 is to write goals for all the 4 dimensions. The secret 2 is to make it simple, and secret 3 is to keep the initial goal achievable. If you found this video useful, I invite you to my private Facebook group. The link is in the description. Do like and share with someone who might find it useful. Thank you and bye bye.